Hi, I'm Rocco from Bacon Freak, and I'm here to show you how to prepare chicken with bacon and brie. In order to prepare the chicken, the first step is to mix the filling. You're going to want to take a bowl and add in a quarter cup of brie cheese. Okay, we missed some in there. Get in there, guy. Okay, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of both parsley and shallots. Okay, and 1 clove of garlic. All right. And then you want to go ahead and season to taste with some salt and pepper, a little extra salt, and definitely some extra pepper, because I like the pepper. All right. A little more. Okay, good. All right, go ahead and mash those together. While I'm getting this ready. Oh, the cheese is a little excited. It knows it's going in my tummy, and I'm going to be eating it soon. Okay. I have over here, I prepared a chicken breast. We filleted it. So we have 2 pieces here. Cheese is giving me a hard time. Maybe it doesn't want to get eaten. I'm definitely going to eat it though. Okay, so we got their chicken fillet ready. And what we're going to do is we're going to spread the mix into the chicken fillets. Now, what I've done over here is I've prepared a bacon weave. Okay. And it's pretty easy to do. You lay down a slice and you just kind of, wrap them down. You put them together like this. Okay, it's real easy to do. You'll be able to figure it out. Go ahead and take your chicken breast, the filleted piece, and lay it across the bacon. Okay, and we're going to take about half of our spread here, and we're going to mix it into the chicken. Okay, get in there. All of you get in there. There we go. Okay. Let's get a little more in here. I think that fillet needs a little more spread, a little more love here. There's a little more love. Okay. All right, we're going to go ahead and we're going to try to, when you cook this in the oven, the cheese has a tendency to want to fall out. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to hold some of that in with the bacon. We're going to roll it over here. At some point here, we may need to secure this with toothpicks, which we have soaking in water if that's the case. Okay, so let's get that nice and tight. We're going to go ahead and wrap the bacon over here. Okay. All right. Okay, so what we've done is we've completed the weave on the bottom. Okay, and then when we cook these, we're going to go ahead and turn them over so you have a nice pattern. Now, it doesn't look like I'm going to need any toothpicks here to secure this. I think it's going to do quite nicely. Okay. Again, I'm practicing the weave. Just lay out a couple pieces. It's really easy to do. You get the idea. Just one over the top. Uh-oh, wrong way. That's okay. All that basket weaving came in handy at one point that I did. All right, there you go. That's how you do the weave. Okay. All right, you want to go ahead and preheat the oven to 375 degrees and cook it for about 40 minutes or until the internal temperature of the chicken is about 165 degrees. I have done that, and over here we have our finished dish. And cooking with bacon has been fun, and that's how you make chicken with bacon and brie.